So, for everyone who's been wondering why I've fallen off the face of the internet for a few months, it's because I've been working in Florida. I'd never been to America before, never been somewhere so hot and humid before, and never had the privilege of seeing so much Halloween tat before. I absolutely love Halloween tat.
You have chosen an excellent resting place.
And I'm sure a lot of you hobbyists feel the same when you walk into a pound store and see all the plethora of random plastic critters and spooky bits and pieces. When I first walked into Michael's and I saw the rows and rows of animal skeletons, I wish I could stay there forever, or at least buy everything. I could have spent all my wages there, but I was very conservative and came back with one very special item. This bizarre tube of human organs. Technically not even Halloween tat, but just so strange. I'm just picturing that one little kid in sunny Palm Beach, Florida, who tugs at their mum's coat. "Mommy, Mommy, can I have a toy?" "Okay, sweetie, you can pick one tube." "I want this one, Mommy." This plastic tube of dissected human organs. "I will play with these, Mummy." Totally would have been me, 100%. So, now I'm back in rainy London, I can get to turning them into something. First of all, the brain strikes me as an easy modification. The thing about living with a partner who's addicted to plastic, just like me, is that we end up with all of these. We are a kit-bashing household, and to bring some order to the chaos, I like to store bits in these little drawers from B&Q, if you're interested. So I can just pull out some arms and legs and squish them on there. I'm using Milliput and some super glue to do so. I also used little micro beads for eyes. I also want to add some bits from these little rubbery guys that I found in Poundland in the UK. I'm gonna cut his legs off. I based them with some Colourforge paints that I reviewed in my last video. Click the link if you want to see more about that. I'm just going to dry brush, add some speed paints and put some ooey gooey wet looking drippy ooziness all over them and call it a day. Absolutely love this crimson colour from Colourforge, by the way. Probably my favourite spray paint that I've ever used. I'm kind of obsessed with this heart guy, I have to say. It's really gross. It looks wet, and that's what I wanted. I was thinking when I made these that the rat would be the sort of hero fighting against these four disgusting organ monsters. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but happy Halloween! And here's a bonus if you want to see a mini Florida travel blog, because I'm a multifaceted lady. Don't forget to like and subscribe.